We're far between sundown's finish and midnight's broken toll. We ducked inside the doorway, thunder crashing as majestic bells of bolts struck shadows in the sound, seeming to be the chimes of freedom crashing. If flashing for the warriors, his strength is not to fight. Flashing for the refugees on their unarmed road of flight, and for each and every underdog soldier in the night, we gazed upon the chimes of freedom flashing. Well, in the city's melted furnace, unexpectedly we watched, with faces hidden here while the walls were tightening. As the echo of the wedding bells before the blowing rain dissolved into the wild bills of lightning. Yeah, tolling for the rebel, yeah, tolling for the rape, tolling for the luckless, the abandoned and forsaken, yeah, tolling for the outcast, but in constantly at stake. And we gazed upon the charms of freedom flashing. Splattered mist was slowly lifting, where electric lights still struck like arrows fired before the walls, condemned to drift or else be kept from drifting. We're tolling for the searching ones on this speechless seeking trail, for the lonesome hearted lovers with two personalities, and for each unharmful gentle soul misplaced inside a jail. Yeah, we gazed upon the chimes of freedom flashing. We're starry-eyed and laughing. I recall when we were caught, trapped by no track of ours, fully hang suspended. As we listened one last time, and we watched with one last look, spellbound and swallowed, is the tolling ended. Yeah, tolling for the aching ones whose wounds cannot be nursed, for the countless confused, accused, misused, strung out ones and worse, and forever